You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue.
What's up, my heart fam? Thank you for clicking play on this video. As you see of the title today, we are doing a get ready with me, and also I'll be showing you the outfit that I am wearing now with the details, so make sure you stay at the end of the video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So for today, I decided that I am going to do a get ready with me video, and then afterwards I'll kind of show you the outfit that I'll be wearing for if I was to pretend to go out somewhere. Since I'm not going nowhere. But hey, I figured the clothes have to get put to use somehow, at least this way, right? Through the cameras. I'm good with that. But anyway, so I already have my makeup, my foundation on, and I already have my eyebrows done. I will link the video up here on the card as far as the other videos where I actually went and I did it step by step. But I wanted to kind of skip this part. But if you want me to do another video where I show you where the foundation and stuff like that, let me know and I'll go ahead and do another one from the start. But now since I have the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and next go with the eyeshadow. Today I kind of wanted to do like a kind of a baby blue color to it. I did like this one right here. It's by Stella. I do like this. This is called the liquid eyeshadow, and this is kind of like a one step and done. You know, you just kind of put it on and that's it. So let's go ahead and put this on.
Clue on the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing.
Once that's on, I'm going to go ahead and blend it before it dries. I'm going to be using this brush right here to go ahead and blend it.
But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Now if you want it a little bit more darker, you can go ahead and go with another layer. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try.
With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning.
Oh, that definitely worked. Let's go ahead and go with the other eye. Alright, so now that is done, I'm going to go ahead and use an eyeshadow just kind of to go over the edges just so that it's not too harsh. And for that, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty palette. This is the Mercury Retrograde. I really love this one. I haven't used it much, but I do like their products a lot. Look how beautiful. I'm going to be using this one right here. This is the brush that also I'll be using. This is more of a fluffier one, so I can go ahead and blend it. Alright, that's pretty much how it has it. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of glitter from the same palette. I'm going to be doing this one. I think I'm going to be doing this one right here. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the lid. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes, because I've noticed that if I do it after the eyeliner, a lot of times the eyeliner comes off with the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and do the curl the eyelashes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to be using the Anastasia liquid liner. And I'm just going to do a really thin one, and that's just only to cover the eyelash band from the eyelashes. Now that we have the eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my eyelashes. I am trying out this actual new mascara from Huda Beauty as well. I've heard many good things about it. It has two sides. It has the volume. So it looks like this, like that. And then it has the other side, which is the curl and length, which is like a curvy kind of wand. It's pretty cool, so I'm going to try it right now. Okay, now the next trick that I have learned, and it actually helps out a lot when putting my eyelashes. I seem to have less problems when I do it that way. So what I do first is I always use this one, the dual, this is the clear one, and I use the applicator. I put it actually on my eyelash band, not on the band, but on my actual eye. I put it almost like just the same as I lined it, except that it's going to be with the actual glue itself. And then the eyelash, I just take it directly. I wait for it to dry, and then I take it directly into my eye, into the, you know, right there at the edge, and I put it on, and it just stays.
It's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Now, one thing that I will suggest when you're doing the glue, if you do have eyeliner underneath, before you put the brush into the applicator, make sure that you take a wipe and you clean it out, just so that the actual glue itself doesn't get full of the black eyeliner. Alright, meanwhile the glue is actually drying up. I am going to be using these lashes today from Lujosa Lashes, and these are in the name Flirty. I hope these are it, because normally I try to, whenever I use them, I always try to put them in the same box, but this is what they look like. So let's go ahead and put these on.
I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh.
Okay, both of them are on, so now I'm just gonna kind of press them, the fake eyelashes with my eyelashes, and then I'm just gonna kind of push it up a little bit. But let me go ahead and do that. Today I'm gonna be using Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Light Medium Honey. Just gonna go ahead and highlight the parts that I want a little bit more coverage.
But guess I need more of you.
Alright, now that we have that, today I'm actually using a beauty blender, so let's go ahead and blend that over. Alright, now that's done, let's go ahead and continue with the contour. Today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream kit, and this one is in medium, and I'm going to be using this one right here.
Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk
So these are my markings, so let me go ahead and blend it out.
about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this?
Hopefully. And then what I like to do is that with the same edge that I use for the contour to blend it, I like to kind of go over this area so it's not so bright and white. Of course, if it's not, then you can go ahead and leave it, but that's just kind of a suggestion that I do. Alright, the powder that I'm using today is the RCMA, and this is in the no color powder, so this is what I'm going to be using. I don't like to bake because I do have kind of wrinkles now. My age is catching up to me, I guess. So if I noticed that if I do bake a long time, or you know, if I leave it for a little bit, it seems to get more dry, and then you can see the wrinkles. So I try not to bake. I just kind of pat it so that it seals it in. Alright, for the contour powder, I'm going to be using this one. It's called NARS, and this is the Melina. It looks like this, and I normally use the darker one. Of course, I do use a little bit because it's a little darker, but I just wanted to kind of give it, you know, that shape and that shadow.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
I'm gonna use this type of brush right here, and I'm gonna be doing the using the same powder for my nose. I'm just gonna make sure that I do very, very light because it is kind of strong, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the nose where I actually put the contour. And I'm just gonna bring it over to underneath my eyebrows a little bit. Alright, now that I have all that done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the eyeshadow on the lower end of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of highlighter in the corner of the inside of the eye, and I'm gonna be using this one by Jeffree Star. This is the Brain Freeze, and I'm gonna be using this bottom right here. It's really, really nice. Let me see if I can do a swatch really quick. Look, I don't know if you can see. It gives it that shine. It's really, really pretty. It has a little tint of blue, just a tiny bit, so it'll go perfect with it. Alright, so to take it up a notch, I don't know if it's gonna look good or not, so we'll give it a try. If not, I'll change it to black. So the lower line, I'm gonna go ahead and use this cream gel liner by ColourPop. This one, I got it from that kit that they had all kinds of colors of cream gel liners. It's pretty cool. I like the formula. So let me go ahead and put that on my lower lash. So now the last thing, so I already put the bottom one. I'm gonna go ahead and put black eyeliner on the top lash. I do like it. It just, I don't know why, but it looks better to me. So let me go ahead and do that.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out.
Alright, so there it is. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put mascara on my lower lash, and I think we're almost done.
Parachute, you know I'm dreaming about us two. Playing around without a clue. On the
I always get so nervous when I put my mascara on the lower lash, because I'm afraid that if I sneeze or if I freaking move, it's gonna get on my eye, you know, on the lower part of it. It's had that happen a lot. So for the lips, I'm gonna give this a try. I've actually had this. I bought it a while back from ColourPop. It was the it was a collaboration with Becky G, and I just never wore it, but or tried it, I should say. This is the lip kit, and it's called Muñeca, and it has these two. Might be a little dark, so I might have to put like a lighter color in the middle. So let me give that a try. Like it's way too dark. I'm gonna be like that TikTok I've seen a lot. I don't know if you guys seen it, but there's a video where the girls go like that heck of times. That's what it reminded me when I did that. Yeah, it's kind of dark for me. I think that if the pencil version of it would have helped, I would have just lined it and not used the actual liquid lipstick. But it is really nice though. I did use the Stella one to kind of bring it down a little bit. This is in the color Angelo. So let's go ahead and put some highlighter on. This is the Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Press Illuminator Powder. This is called Queen Dip. So let me go ahead and get that. I'm using this brush by Sigma. I always like to finish it with this one. This is the Supreme Frost Diamond Wet. This is like more glittery, so that's the only part I like about this one. I always like putting it on top of the actual highlighter that I already put on. Now for the setting spray, I'm going to be using this one by Anastasia, and this is the Dewy Set. So let me go ahead and shake it. And what I like to do is immediately get the sponge, the blender, the beauty blender, and then just kind of press it down to my skin. Not rubbing it, not pushing it down or anything, just in like this, just go into the skin. Alright, so it looks like the makeup portion of it, we are done. Yay! Let me go ahead and get ready. Let me change really quick, and then I can go ahead and show you guys the complete outfit. So let me talk to you guys a little bit about this outfit. I really love it. Too bad I can't go nowhere. But this one right here, it's from Fashion Nova. Both the actual, not the shorts. So pretty much these are kind of like leggings, but what's those? Not fish. Well, yeah, I guess like fishnets kind of thing, but they have rhinestones on it. It's pretty cool. It's like this. See if you can see the sleeves, how it's all blinged out. Those little tinier, smaller rhinestones. Same thing with the these types. It does go higher. So of course I had to put something because of it's same as here. It's see-through, so I had to make sure I covered. But yeah, I really liked it from the shorts. I mean, you always use like a skirt if you want or whatnot, or even like something longer, but that's pretty much how I have it. And I paired it with my Versace heels, the silver ones, and then I have a bralette under, so it's pretty cool. The actual blazer, it's called the Bling Boss Blazer, and I got this in a size medium and it fits perfect. Also the fishnets, they're called Raining Diamonds fishnet pants, and these are in a size large. I had to get a size large because it wouldn't go up my hips if I would have gone a smaller. Alright, my heart fam, well, thank you so much. If you're already here at the end of the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the outfit, and if you have any other suggestions or anything like that, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, thank you so much for staying all the way to the end, and I'll see you until the next video. Bye!